Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 PE aka 22H2 Summer 2023 edition with Gandalf PE. So you can download the Gandalf PE on this website. So the Gandalf is like a customized, a new personalization for your Windows. So, System Rescue Boot USB stick, bootable ISO file. If you're looking for pre-built Windows PE, look no further and use Gandalf Windows PE because it's packed with many useful programs. It has a desktop explorer, start menu, compression tool, image viewer, hard drive tools, video player, and remote access tools, and many more. So this is all the tool that contained in Windows 10 PE. So you can download and create a bootable disk on your USB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.